Hello and welcome to a special edition of Crystal King, your makeup maven. Normally Makeup Mondays. Today I want to talk about this new product that Arbonne came, these 4 little sticks, and it is Arbonne's mini stick staycation set. Super cute and really easy to use. So I'm just going to do a quick how to use them in case you're curious. We have 4 colors, 2 lip and cheek colors, and 2 these are the highlighter and bronzer colors. And I am gonna just show you super quick. So I just scrolled them up a little bit and I'm gonna turn my face. So the bronze, you can see I just put a nice line there. The highlight goes on the top. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Bronze down in the contour, highlight up closer to the top of the cheekbone. Then, since I don't want this to be super dark, I'm going to take the lighter of the 2 lip and cheek sets and I'm going to put a line right in between both of those. And then I'm simply going to blend from top to bottom. And what that's gonna do is give me, I'm gonna keep the contour mainly where I set it, but I'm gonna blend the other 2 colors. And I'm blending towards my ear in just circular motions. And there, now I have cheeks on when I didn't before I started this video. So I'm also gonna just show you quickly how you can do the darker. I chose the darker lip / cheek color because I have darker lips. So simply you can just put it on like a gloss. It's just a sheer, nice kind of slight berry color. What do they call it? I can't read that. But it's just a nice sheer color. So I have just a super simple summer face on now where I have my foundation and my primer. I put a little eye makeup primer on and just a base color and a lid color, some liquid foundation and mascara, and I'm ready to go, you know? I'm good for the day. I'll finish this off camera with the finishing spray and I will be set. And it'll be a fun day, you know? I don't have to reapply. These are just fun little simple products that you can play around with. You know, the peachy cheek color would also make a fun little lip color. You probably wouldn't see it very much on my lips because they're so pink. But you can also just use this highlight color, you know, and do like a line down the center of you and then blend it into circles. And then for the bronzer color, you can, I'm just going to keep the lid on to show you, but you can also do like an elongated 3 on either side and then blend it back and get a nice bronze color. But thanks so much. This is Crystal King, your independent Arbonne consultant, Arbonne makeup color lover, and your makeup maven. Have a great day.